Hey, it's me again.
All right.
So, as we chatted with the Avalanche, or maybe you're seeing this video first, I'm Steve with Keystone RV. I am the factory rep for Alpine and Avalanche. And so now we are looking at an Alpine. This is the premium luxury fifth wheel that Keystone provides. It is simply amazing. So if you are ready, you don't want to have to worry about a tent. You don't have to worry. You want full creature comforts. Alpine, where luxury is standard. It's not even an option anymore. We've got it all for you. So starting on the outside, as you notice with this unit, again, we've got the dual awnings. So tons of outdoor living space. There is a TV connection right back in here. So if you want to set up a little outdoor living room, you could do that. We were talking about a little bit off camera. These are pass-through storage all the way from both here and here. Both of these go all the way through. So it's his and hers, or as we said, maybe it's hers and hers for storage. You might get one of these extra little nubs in the back.
I got the small one.
Yep. Speaking of, there is an additional storage in the back as well. This does have a flip up. It's super deep, so if you want to have the grill, some of those extras back here, you can do that. Also comes standard with an accessory hitch. So if you need a bike rack or something along those lines, you can carry an extra ladder or whatever the case may be, you've got that already set up for you as well.
Do you know what the weight rating on that is, Steve?
It's going to be 300 or 800 pounds.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Yep. So coming around, you can also notice every Alpine and Avalanche comes standard with a 6-point hydraulic auto level. So again, you get your truck out of the way, you hit the button that says auto, in less than 2 minutes, you're ready to rock. No more cranking, no more worried about the jacks, no more worried about the braces. It's done. Takes it right there for you, makes it super easy. Also notice the beautiful frameless windows. A day like today, you can tell the sun down here in Florida is beating on these things, so those traditional windows, it would hit those seals. You don't have to worry about that with the frameless window. It protects all the seals, the gaskets, everything, and they're beautiful because we know it rains best about every day here in Florida in the summer.
Yeah.
So you can still kick these open. They open this way, keeps the rain from getting in. You can still get the cross breeze if you want to. It'd be beautiful for a day like today with this breeze. As we talked about in the Avalanche, we have the same solid steps with that double wide up top, makes it nice and secure. But another great feature for Alpine, it's got the Strut Assistant.
Oh, okay.
And so, again, when you take him out, it'll catch it halfway, and you just push him up the rest of the way, going back down. It makes it nice and easy. You can see the legs do adjust, so if you're on unlevel ground, one's a little higher than the other, you can put those however they need to be as well.
You just simply pull the pin to adjust those?
Absolutely.
Okay.
All right, so in we go.
Love the big, huge grab handle.
Absolutely.
For those of us with bad knees.
So let's start right here in the kitchen. Beautiful island. You got the deep double bowl sink. Look at the size of this.
Wow.
See, again, most of us are expecting to get 2 sinks like this.
Yeah.
The little guy. Look at huge, huge sink for you. Tons of space. Nice and simple for all the cleanup. And then when you're ready to set up the buffet line, put those back on. Come all the way around. If you take a peek at that wall, this is going to be our in-command system. So it's a tablet setup, controls your entire unit. So you can do your lights, your HVAC, on and on it goes. Let's see, I haven't uncoded this one yet. That's your generic. You will change your own code. It'll be more secure than 0000, I promise you. That's like setting your password to password, folks. Right. Okay, don't do that. But you can see, you can do your awnings, your slides, your lights, everything. And then good news, you can also get the app on your phone. You can control everything from your phone. And so think about it, if you're showing up to your campsite, maybe the unit's dark, maybe the campsite's a little dark. Before you even get out of your truck, you can just hit the app, turn all the lights on, turn the outside lights on. Nice security feature. Or say you're out walking the dog. If the campground has Wi-Fi, you can do global connect through this system. So you can be checking, hey look, it's still 76 degrees inside my unit. It's awesome. Fido's taken care of. Don't have to worry about it. Or you're laying in bed going, oh phooey, I forgot to put the awnings in. And so you hear the wind. Man, don't get out of bed, just roll over, put them back in. So tons of features that can do. If you don't even feel like going crazy, it's a tablet instead of all rocker switches, if you want to come back that way. Looking over here, we do on-demand water heaters in Alpines.
Nice.
Never going to run out of hot water. Have you ever had to take that shower and you're the last one? Go, oh no, he used all the water on me again, or vice versa. Don't have to worry about that. Endless on-demand hot water. Makes it super nice for everybody. Again.
Now, is that the Suburban or?
This is Suburban,
okay,
yeah.
all right.
Suburban Aqua. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
As you roll around, you're noticing the air conditioning system, the Blade Pure, like we talked about in the last one. But the nice thing about Alpine, we actually take it up another level. You're getting dual 15s on your AC system, already standard. Yep. And like we mentioned, if you want to go third AC, it's already prepped. It's ready to go. Another amazing feature for Alpine that most of my competition doesn't do standard, okay, It's a standard electric heat pump in one of your units as well. 16,500 BTU electric heat pump comes standard with all of your Alpines. So again, day like today, 40 degrees or above, we are still not touching that furnace. We can run or heat this whole unit all on electric. Especially, doesn't that always happen? Phone calls always on video. Sorry. We'll take you next time. I'll get back to you in a second. So again, all electric heat. So you have the electric heat pump and you still have the fireplace. So tons of electric heat in this unit. Over 20,000 BTUs of electric heat. If you want to pan up, beautiful thing about this floor plan, you can head out there, I'll follow you. Obviously this is our front living room. And so both of these can make out into bed. So if you got 3-4 grandkids, you can have that. Or, you know what's funny? I actually had a customer one time, their son was 6'10". Yeah. So they bought this unit on purpose so he could lay across both. Imagine that. So of course, that's why we designed it that way.
That's right, that's right.
It's really not, but hey, it was amazing that he wanted to utilize that space. And again, we've been talking about height a couple times. For reference, I am 6 foot tall, so you got a little bit of height extra up here. But as we all know, you're not coming up here to have the dance party. You're coming up to sit around here and lounge. You've got the nice floor plan space. I hear from a lot of customers that they'll get a nice rug to throw out in here, make it feel really homey. Yeah. Okay, you can notice right now, we don't have power to the unit yet, so I won't show you, but these lights are on just by our solar package. We've been talking about it a little bit. Every Keystone product has at least the 200 watt solar flex package already installed, standard from the factory. You can upgrade to 400 or 600, depending on how your needs are. So again, all these lights right now are on because of solar. But this is a 50-inch TV that pops up. So when you're ready to watch TV, have the movies, whatever, you're good to go here. And then when you just want to enjoy the view, you got the full painted front cap with the lovely windshield out there.
Nice.
We chatted a little bit in the Avalanche. We've got the upgraded Jensen Stereo system. This is 3-zone capable, so you can be watching a movie up here. You can be in the bedroom listening to some Bluetooth music. Maybe you got something going on outside as well. So it makes it nice. This does come with an app. You can set a timer, so you want to wake up to music, you want to go to sleep to some music, whatever the case may be.
Nice.
We did point out in the last one, so I want to make sure we get it again. Part of that Blade Pure system, you've got the Coleman Mach Quiet AC, but you've got the 12-inch by 12-inch by 1-inch air filter. So if air quality is important to you, good news. You can change these air filters out as frequently as you want, just like you would in your home. So it makes it nice and easy for you.
That's just as simple as
turning
those little screws,
Yep, these little tabs right here. Just drops down, put the new filter in. Off you go.
Easy
and it's on both of the ACs that are built in as well. Coming back down here, as you walk down the steps, if you want to take a peek, this does come standard with the central vacuum system. So I know we're roughing it.
And that's that right there.
Other lights, there we go.
All right. Whoops. Okay, Gimbal, come back.
Hey, there you are.
Hey.
You just did your own 360 view shot.
Woo, there we go.
Right now, people at home are going, what in the world was that? That was amazing. All right, so as we look into the kitchen, we pan on over. You've got that residential refrigerator. Like we mentioned, the ice maker does work. In Alpine, we upgraded. We went to a convection microwave.
Nice.
Yes, we've got that as well. You can see the soft close cabinet doors. It's not going to be slamming away on you. And it's solid hardwood cabinetry. Again, this is another important feature as people are out shopping. Take a peek behind the cabinets as you start feeling around.
Right.
This isn't paper wrapped. This is the premium luxury fifth wheel. This is real wood, so the styles, the cabinetry, the doors, everything is all going to be real solid hardwood in Alpine brand. So definitely check that out. Okay, Insignia. Look at the size of this. That is
massive.
Is that thing? Wow. Oh man, look at that bad boy.
That is bigger than the oven we had in our apartment.
Right.
That's a turkey dinner.
Yeah, you can finally actually cook the turkey, right? You've got that to go along. And then, amazing, again, we've discussed 6 foot tall. This literally is a walk-in pantry, folks. So you've got the sliding barn doors here. Don't forget, one on each side.
Beautiful.
And so it does have, I'll let you take a peek in there. You've got additional counter space, so if you want to put the Keurig in there. You've got uppers and lowers. The double sliding barn door.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? And if you don't want to stare at those appliances when you're done, well, you just close the doors up and you don't stare at that anymore.
That is gorgeous.
Isn't that amazing? And so this keeps on going. We talked about the storage on the outside, and that was created by giving us a couple steps. You can see.
Real quick, I want to show this dining area here.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Beautiful little nook there.
Yeah.
All right.
More storage on your way up. We know the storage is always at a premium.
Absolutely.
So, yep, you've got that as well.
All right.
Then as you come into the bedroom, we have got the king-size bed standard again, with all of that storage down below. Get the bed out of the way. There we go.
There we go. Wow.
Isn't that amazing? You do have power on both sides, like we mentioned. So you've got outlets. If you need the CPAP, there's going to be power on both sides. There's that additional speaker that goes with that Jensen Stereo system. As you come back here, though, this is where it really gets awesome.
Wow!
It is a 4-foot by 4-foot full-size shower. Again, we mentioned the on-demand endless hot water. Well, cool. You are literally showering like you're in a home. Tons and tons of room. One-piece fiberglass, no seals to worry about, any of that. Rainfall shower head.
I found a new house.
Isn't this awesome? And like you said, for even the taller folks, you get a huge skylight in here for additional space. Porcelain toilet.
Tons of room.
And then if you look, you've got the his and hers sinks with the double vanity over there, and stackable washer dryer prep if you wanted to, or just additional closet space.
Wow.
Like we said, Alpine is the premium luxury fifth wheel. It is built for full timers, those extended stay camping, whatever you want to do. So we want to make it as user friendly as possible. 12-volt electric heat pads underneath all of your tanks. So this was tested and rated at negative 14 degrees. Again, not that I want you camping that cold, but again, just speaks to the build quality, the build construction, and how we're going to take care of you after the fact. Real wood cabinetry, just on and on and on. All of these are standard
sneak in
features.
here, and then
swivel around. There you go.
Closing doors too. You also got some good privacy doors here too.
yeah, I like the fact that you're using hardware to keep these open and latched instead of the Velcro.
Yep. So when you're going down the highway, keep them secure for you.
Yep.
It is dual climate control. A lot of times people ask what this little nub is. You can set each one in a separate thermostat. So if you guys ever argue about the thermostat and you go, well, I'm going to keep it a little warmer out there, I'm going to keep it a little cooler back here, or vice versa, you've got that capability as well.
Nice. All right. So we talked about this a little bit in the other one too. This is fully usable when the slide is in, correct? This bed.
With this one, you can still get to the bed. You wouldn't be able to get to that shower because this will close all the way up to right up in here.
Okay.
So if you want to climb up and get to this one. So each floor plan, some you can have access to both, some you can't. It's nice.
You can always climb over the bed.
Correct.
So, yeah.
Yep.
AC system, is that like a racetrack system, or?
It's a fully looped system, yeah. These two are definitely supporting each other. We call it a pressurized system. We have the directions coming at each other, so when they're running, it forces more air to come down. Some of my competition, you'll see their diagrams where it's a dog chasing its tail. So good news, these are kind of come at each other, which forces more air to come down through the blade pure system. Something nice we do, speaking about the AC up top, in our ventilation. We all know how traditional ductwork works. And most manufacturers, they just take a piece of ductwork and a piece of duct, and they put it here, and they go a piece of tape.
Right.
Now, over time, insulation, travel, whatever, that thing just and starts to get crushed, correct? Right. And so now airflow. So Keystone solved that problem years ago. We called what's a duct joiner. We basically took a plastic rectangle, for lack of a better term. And so now you have something for that piece of ductwork. You come in, it connects, another piece of ductwork here. Yes, we still tape around it, but now it keeps it from getting collapsed. It gives it something to support it.
Right.
Absolutely. Because it's all about keeping that airflow to you. It's not necessarily how much this can put out, it's how much actually gets into the unit.
Right.
Sounds simple, but again, those little things that go a long way. Keystone has done tons of innovations like that over the years. We were one of the first ones to go to a fully color-coded wiring system. So when a unit has to go in for any kind of service, they always know, well, hey, this color wire with that little number always goes to the furnace.
And that is something that definitely we love because of, we live in a 2004 Fleetwood Wilderness.
There you go.
So I'm not sure how they were constructed to begin with, but
it might have been hey, we got a good deal on a spool of wire today. It happens to be blue.
Yes, right. And I love Fleetwood. Don't get me wrong. It's just between, I don't know how it was manufactured to begin with, plus the owners that have had it since.
Yeah, who has done what since then?
Yeah, let's just say the wiring doesn't quite make sense.
Yep. Or like our hitch vision technology. When you see that little mirror that's out by your fifth wheel hitch, that was a Keystone creation. It's a Keystone patent thing. Because again, it makes it easier when you're backing up that fifth wheel, you see the mirror, and now you're ready to hook it up.
Right.
And that was an innovation. And now the same thing's happening with the solar flex system. We didn't just take a little piece here, a little part there. We took the time to put an entire package together that the customer has confidence in what we're getting. So it makes it nice along the way. So there's many, many examples of that.
Wonderful. All right. Just real quick, I want to show the TV and the cabinets in here. These are just massive cabinets.
Isn't that great?
Yes.
And again, the his and hers, you each won't have one on each side, and then you can argue about who gets the extra drawer.
No argument there.
So, where is the fuse panel hidden? I haven't seen that.
Been back up here.
Oh, okay. Nice. All right.
Yep.
So easily accessible.
You didn't see it because who wants to start the ugly fuse panel?
Yeah, but it's still easily accessible, so that's awesome.
Yep, absolutely.
All right. This is just gorgeous.
So I'm sure you're going to provide the specs, the lengths, the weights, all that after the fact?
Yep, they'll all be down in the video description.
Yep.
And anything else you want to add, Steve?
So if anybody wants to see more, they can do the 360-degree views at KeystoneRV.com under the /Alpine and see all the different floor plans. Take a peek.
All right.
So it's very, very cool.
All right. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys again for your time. Appreciate it.
All right.